My name is Daniel Iddrisu, and I graduated from the Masters in International and Regional Studies with a specialization in African Studies on December 19 last year. And I am one of the beneficiaries of the African Studies Center Research Grant. That grant has been very instrumental in ensuring that I get my thesis work done. And prior to joining the program, my intention was to go back to my home country during the winter break to conduct field survey for my thesis work, not knowing COVID-19 was on the way. So when COVID happens, during that period, COVID was at its peak, and then the airports in my home country had to close down. The US Embassy too had to close down within that period. So I couldn't go back to my home country for the field survey. And staying back in Anambra meant that I had to pay for accommodation and other utilities within that 4-month period, which initially wasn't part of the plan. So with the help of the ASC research grant, I was able to stay back in Anambra, and then I use and analyze data from the demographic and health survey to write my thesis. And now I've submitted my thesis, and then I've gotten a paper out of the thesis for publications. And then so I'm very much grateful to the ASC for the support given to me. And then I'm also grateful to the ASC donors for supporting ASC. If not for their support, I don't know what would have happened to my dream of writing thesis, because it has always been my desire to conduct research for my thesis, and the ASC research grant made that a reality for me. So I'm much grateful, and then thank you to ASC, thank you to all ASC donors.